NASA just dropped a bombshell, completely changing its plan for the moon.
So, what's this ignition? It means NASA is hitting pause on its long-planned lunar space station.
And the new goal? Something even bigger, building a permanent base right there on the lunar surface.
So why the huge switch? Why scrap the Gateway space station after all that work?
Well, Gateway was just an orbiting station. The new plan is boots on the ground. For good.
Basically, Gateway was causing delays and technical headaches, forcing landers to burn way too much fuel.
And this leaves NASA's international partners, who already built hardware for Gateway, kinda in a bind.
So, what's the new game plan? An ambitious three-phase approach to actually building this moon base.
First, send robots to learn. Then, build the infrastructure. Finally, bring in the astronauts to stay.
And how much will this all cost? We're talking $20 billion over the next 7 years.
To do it, they'll deploy rovers, new exploration drones, and even a nuclear power source.
So why the sudden rush? It's simple, really. A new space race is heating up.
The administrator is clear. The clock is ticking, especially with China aiming for a 2030 moonshot.
This means a huge culture shift inside NASA. They're demanding speed and real accountability from partners.
Okay, but what about Mars? Does this mean the red planet is on the back burner?
Not at all. The moon base is actually the perfect proving ground for all the tech we need for Mars.
And get this, NASA also just announced a new mission, SR-1 Freedom, a nuclear craft to Mars.
And its payload is incredible. It's a whole fleet of advanced helicopters called Skyfall.
So a moon base and a nuclear mission to Mars. The next decade is going to be wild.